The role of stem cells in the body is probably one of the greatest discoveries of our time in medicine. Stem cells constitute the repair system of the body. To understand the depth of that discovery and to put it into context, let's talk about the immune system, for example. You have lymph nodes that when you have an infection, lymph nodes will release immune cells. They will go everywhere in the body, but they will specifically migrate where you have the infection, where the immune cells will migrate and where the immune system will do what the immune system does. So in the same way, when you have an injury, stem cells are released by the bone marrow. Stem cells will go everywhere in the body, but will specifically migrate where you have that injury or that problem, and stem cells will repair that tissue. This is your repair system, and that's the natural role of stem cells in your body. But what stem cell research has revealed, which to me is even more important, is that when there's no injury, and most of our lives we have no injuries, nothing is broken, in the background, every day of our life we lose cells. It is the role of stem cells to replace these cells. So as long as you have enough stem cells in your bloodstream to offset the cells that you lose, you can age with health and strength and vitality. The problem is that as we age, the red marrow that makes stem cells shrinks. So there's a point in our life where we lose that balance, and that's when we start to experience that we are aging, right around 30 years old. And that's where a product like Stemregen can play such an amazing role, because it simply naturally puts more stem cells in your bloodstream, which gives that edge to your body to continue to age with health, vitality, and strength.